We are live. Good morning, everybody. Hope all is well. Let's jump right into it. Happy Thursday. NVDA is the ticker. Levels have been dropped on the Instagram stories and in the reels. Let's jump right into it. So as you can see, my levels come. Join me. Let's talk about it. You see my levels right here. If we stay above 841, easy to 852.66. And we are holding, as you can see right now, the market is open. You want to take your call contracts above here, take profit. NVIDIA likes to move pretty fast, so keep your eye on that. It likes to move fast. So new traders, you can use fractional shares to help you right there. We're going to look at penny stocks in a second, but here we go. Again, stop losses below 841.26, candle close below. We are headed, we are battling right now. If you want to make the easy money, sorry, wrong word, not easy money. If you want to make money quick, in a short amount of time, and you have the power to hit sell, keep your eye here. There we go. We're $2 away. If you want to take profits on this thing, 852 is the level. Again, I will write down the levels really quickly. So you have 841.26. Profit target 852.66. If this fails, we go into 830.22. And if that fails, we're going to 823.90. That's your levels right there for NVIDIA. So keep your eye on that. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. The chat, audio issues. It is what it is when it comes to the audio issues, folks. There was an update, and you know how that goes. Every time there's an update, we have issues. So let me know if you see any tickers for the penny stocks. The scanner gave me one. The scanner gave me one, and here we go. And here we go. And we have touched the level. That's it. Level to level. Level to level. That's all you do. That's all we do. That's it. You're done. That's it. That was your call contract. That's it. Now, as you can see, it is battling that level right there. It went from 841 touch to 852 touch. Now the rejection off of 852 right there, as you can see. What is the next level? You can go figure that out. But your profit target has been hit. That's it. We got some tickers being called in the chat. ALLR, yep. Liked your video, live trading yesterday. I took the audio, was a little off though. I think the audio was, how so, Eric? Maybe because I have two microphones next to each other. Maybe that might be a factor. Maybe because you're not supposed to have two mics that close to each other. I got the mic for the YouTube and the mic here. So boom. And there you go. That's enough. I already warned you. Let me get this. Let me get my trade zero, everything ready to go here. Let's look at what's popping off here. So let's go. We have EVNX. I'll look at that, but let me look at the shares locate. Before I look at anything, I want to look at the shares locate. Again, you should have taken profits on NVIDIA. Let me know, did you trade NVIDIA? Let me know in the comment section. Did you trade NVIDIA? All right, what's the first ticker? Let's see. Let's load it up. Let's go. Let's see if we go back to 841. Let's go. It battled that level, hit that level. Wasn't that a quick trade right there? Okay, here we go. Let's see. We got, what do we got going today? ALLR, over 100%. I love it. Okay, let's see the locates. They're saying in the chat that the locates are expensive. There was a 10 to 20 second. That's how it is, Daniel. That's how YouTube is, my brother. I can't control it. That's just how it is. ALLR. See the locates. This symbol is restricted from trading. What? What the hell does that even mean? That's a first. I've never seen that before. Maybe my computer's tweaking. Hold on. A-L, oh, I put the wrong ticker in. A-G, no, A-G-B-A, no. A-L-L-R. All right. Let's try that again. Locate. No locates available. No locates available. Locates are expensive, Goran. I got you. What was the other ticker someone said? ENVX. Let me see. ENVX. Not 100%er. I've said this a million times. I'm not going to get into it. I'm just going to say it once. If it's not 100% or more or a dollar above more, don't mention it. Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. And there you go. It's hitting it again. NVIDIA is hitting the level again, breaking through again. Your second opportunity. Will it go further? Let it go further. That's not the concern. Take a good trade and move on with your life. Take a good trade and move on with your life. The scanner, let's see if the scanner is giving me anything. Anything popping off. Let's see. Let's drop this. Nothing good. NVIDIA, let it do its thing. So now, by the way, let's go look at CTMX from yesterday. Let's go look at CTMX from yesterday. Look at that. Let's break this down. For those of you watching on the YouTube, welcome again. Thank you, thank you. Just go back to yesterday, and if you want to analyze it, we were in this short in this area. The last trade, I think the fourth trade. And then after we got out, look at it. It only went into one direction. Massive explosion. Of course, collapsed later. But look at that move overall right there. Overall right there. The power of hitting what? The power of hitting what? Sell. So there's that right there. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla, by the way, is back in play in our levels. Tesla is back in play on our levels. If you didn't hit sell from yesterday when you were having put contracts, you would have been wrecked, because look what ended up happening. And again, we're back in the same levels. Levels work, folks. Levels work. Levels work. All right. Where'd it go? Let's go back to NVIDIA. Let's move NVIDIA up. Let's get ALLR up. Okay. What's the next level afterwards? You got to figure that one out. You got to figure that one out. Let's go back. ALLR, they're saying it's too expensive. Okay, I got you. I got you. Maybe something else will come up. For me, it doesn't even let me find the locates. Let's try 100 shares. Let's just try 100 shares. Let's see. Not even 100 shares available. Damn. That's rare. That's rare when that happens, by the way. Very rare. Goran seems to be finding shares. Oh, there you go. Oh my God. $1,000 for 1,000 shares of ALLR. That's wild. That's wild. That's wild. Horrible pricing. Horrible pricing. All right. ALLR is out of commission. We can't touch that. NVIDIA is back in that level again. That's why you just hit sell. Who had some call contracts on it? Update 100 to locate 100. Me too, Goran. I put in 1,000 and then $1,000 for 1,000. $1 a share. Talk about crazy fees on that one, Goran. Talk about crazy fees on that one. So let's move this to the side. Nothing we can do on this one. Now it becomes a patience game. Now it just becomes a patience game. Let's see if anything else is at play. Nope. Nope. Let's get rid of that. Again, who's trading NVDA? Who is trading NVDA? And we're back below our level. Look at that. But levels don't work. I know. Levels don't work. I know. Your life don't work. Your family don't work. Your relationships don't work. Your bank account definitely ain't working. So, and you expect levels to work? Like, come on at this point. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Why the freak is my top button buttoned? Let's fix this right now. Why the freak is my top button buttoned? Oh, we can breathe today. For shorting, you should have a sign that says just hit butt. No, you hit short. There's no buy on trade zero. I got out NVIDIA at 848. What? Ray? Call or puts? He just went in on someone. Good morning. We going out of it. Straight facts. Good morning. Oh, we are going. Oh, this collar was killing me. This collar was killing me. We're battling that level again. By the way, if there's another level, you could figure that one out. But you should have just taken profits here. Now we're just going sideways. Look how fast of a trade that was if you had your call contract. If you had your call contract. Yo, I know it's too early, but damn, nothing pumped. The only one stock that pumped is the ALLR, but the fees are wild. All right, sounds good. When I'm done with the live, we'll go. We'll go eat. Done. By the way, daytradeprofessor.com, free trading course. You already know the book. Mentorship students, live trading December. People are already signing up for live trading in December, New York. Doing this, but live in New York the entire Christmas week. Only for mentorship students, so please don't DM me asking. It's only for the mentorship students. T-minus 18 minutes until coconut water needs refilling. Bobby. Let me get some water. Guys, I'll be back. Let me just get some water. I left the bottle here. Hold on. I gotta go buy a case of coconut water. We'll just drink my reverse osmosis for now. NVIDIA, look at this level. Hands up if you had 852.95 as a level. Let me know in the chat. Did you have 852.95 as your level? Hi, Professor. My significant other bought me the book yesterday after the live. I'm so ready for it to arrive. Thank you, Professor. Let's go, Miss Wells. Let's go. Appreciate your significant other. That's a good man. Or a woman. I don't know. In the world we live in, you don't know who's what anymore. So I appreciate your partner. 852.70, 860, 853. Let's go. Look at that. Look. How can you let anyone say levels don't work? The audacity to say levels. Why is this collar killing me? I haven't worn a Mandarin collar in a while. Maybe that's why it's bothering me. It's driving me crazy. Just want to rip everything off. Did the locates for ALLR get cheaper? Let's see. This is the issue, right? Sometimes, still $100. Went up 50 cents, $100.50. Look at NVIDIA. Look at that level. By the way, if this continues to fail, we are bullish. This will break through. So go make your next levels. Go make your next levels. Good morning, all. What's up, Malik? Man, he's a man. Let's go. He's a man. Professor, I ordered your book. Can't wait to read it. Thank you, Espino. Next step, mentorship 100%. It's free course, book, and then come to my class. Kamar here. Good morning. Kamar Smith, put your real name as there. Come on, bro. A pro hero, I guess. What the hell? Put your real name in the YouTube. There we go. We're just getting the rejection. And if it rejects, we go into 841.26. We are bullish. We are bullish on higher time frames. But again, look how early it is in the morning. So keep that in mind. What a battle we're happening in this area. What a battle we're getting in this area. Hassan, what's up, Hassan? Hassan, are you my student, Hassan? You know, I only have one Hassan. What's up, Mike? Good morning, Mr. McLean. Mr. McLean. Isn't that the name of the guy from the things where everything blows up? Whatever the hell that movie's called. I love that movie. I'm reading your book now. Yes. Everyone, page 100. Page 100. Page 100. So Haven is finally going to join us. I saw he signed up. Dakota, Haven is the videographer. He has to always join us. He has no choice. He has no choice. Die Hard, yes. Love Die Hard. Love Die Hard. Oh man, I was happy about ALLR. I posted on the secret Instagram. Chris Figueroa goes, Professor, Alexa woke you up? Alexa woke me up. She did wake me up. Don't really understand what you're doing, but we'll get there. Mike, I got you. What I'm doing, I love that he said that. What am I doing, Mike? I'm going to break, Mike, for you, I'm going to break it down. What am I doing? Mike, this is all I do. I show you how to take this and turn it into this. How? By having and making you understand that you buy here, you sell here. And then you buy here and sell cover here. That's all I do. Agree or disagree in the comment section. Agree or disagree to the cent. Look at this. Everyone flood the chat. Do levels work? Flood the chat. There's your put contracts. There's your put contracts. No, I'm not yet. I'll be. Oh, so you're not the same Hassan. Got it. MNDR, EBS, Kamar done. Thank you, Mr. Kamar Smith. See, now I know that who you are. Instead of one, whatever the hell your username was. For penny stock making 100% gain in a day, do you also check the lot or relative value? Of course you do. Agree, 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 agree. Boom. Everyone agrees. All right. What's the ticker? Coco says EBS. Let me look at EBS. Coco, if it ain't 100% or $1 more, I'll be upset at you. I'm telling you right now. I shorted it perfectly. Let's go, Shady. Shady. Shady, did you make a little bit of money? I shorted it perfectly. But levels don't work, I know. You guys notice, I don't believe in jinxing, but you guys notice I've been live Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. Not a single hate comment. You haven't noticed that? Not one. Not a single one. Not a single one. All right. EBS Coco said, I'm going to be very upset at him if it's not 100% and over $1. I'll be very upset. Coco, it's only 68%. You were with me in Morocco. In Spain. You're going to be in Thailand. What the freak is this ticker you giving me right now? You know better, Coco. You know better. You lucky I love you and you're a mentorship student. I can't block you. You're lucky. EBS? EBS? No. Okay. Levels work 100%. Morning, everyone. What's up, Chris? Shady says he made 7%. Shady, you made a little bit. Don't let anyone know your percentage. Because they know you have an army of loyal people behind you. Appreciate it. Fine. Well, that's true. I'm not going to conversate with them. People start to understand what you are doing. Thank you, Martin. So we buy at 852 and sell at 842? Mike? Mr. McLean? Mr. McLean? We buy at 852? No. You buy at 841.26 to 852.66. Mr. McLean, that's what I do. That's all I do. I teach you how to find key levels so you can buy and sell at key levels and protect the downside, called a stop loss. That's what you do here. See this? In between move. That's all you do. That's really all I do. So there you go, Mr. McLean. I love that name, man. Because they know an army people, so we buy. Your team is doing a great job. 100%. We don't talk to haters. We just block them. Done trading, traded PL1 futures. Very nice, Eric. According to Professor, we don't touch anything below 100%. Yes, sir, Jordan. That's in the book. I wrote the book on it. Hit the like button, guys. Thank you, Fabiola. It's okay. Like I said, I don't really care. Hi, Professor. What's up, Jen? Good morning, Manasir. When creating levels, how significant is setting a level as sent higher or sent lower than the actual level? You set levels exactly where you're supposed to set them, Manasir. Don't change them based on your perspective. You're helping everyone learn properly and make money. All positive energy. Let's go. Have a blessed day. You too, Eric. It's 70%. Coco, you know better. Jenny says levels are mandatory. You have no choice. Professor, don't forget me on the crypto today. Hassan, give me a crypto. I got you. What are you actively trading? Yippee-ki-yay. Let's go. Yippee-ki-yay, mother lovers. It's simple. Level to level. 100%. Just to put on the radar. Coco, I don't even want it on the radar if it's not 100% or more. And $1 or more. For my criteria to be triggered, 100% or more or $1 or more together. Nothing less, nothing more. Learning process. You're welcome, Mr. Mike McLean. McLean, day trade. Don't send me a penny. Daytradeprofessor.com. Go to the free trading course once this live ends. Tomorrow, what are we trading, everyone? Tomorrow we are trading PLTR. Palantir Technology. If you're a new trader, beautiful ticker. Mr. McLean, don't miss tomorrow, Mr. McLean. Don't miss tomorrow. You know what? Let's go live on YouTube. I am live on YouTube. Let's go live on TikTok. Let's go live on TikTok. Let's go. So, Mr. McLean, pull up tomorrow. Why am I going on Instagram? Where's TikTok? TikTok. Okay. Live. Cool. Cool. Inshallah, brother. Mr. McLean, you Muslim? Mr. McLean's name is Mike McLean, but he's Muslim somehow. Praise God. All right. Let's... how do we do this? Okay, we're going to have to do it like this. Okay. And zoom in. Here we go. That's the TikTok. You know what? Let's go live on Instagram too for 5 minutes. Why not? I got a lecture to give. Let's give a goddamn lecture. Oh, not supposed to say goddamn. All right, live trading. All right, next one. I know, right? Levels don't work. I know levels don't work. If that was the case, how am I live on YouTube? And how do you see this ended up happening? But levels don't work. Isn't that what the world preaches to you? Isn't that what everyone tells you, that candles don't work? What doesn't work? But look at that and look at that. These levels were giving pre-market on the Instagram. Were they not? And look what ended up happening again. You can go and look at the date stamps. 8/41/26, 8/52. Horrible handwriting. 66. By the way, TikTok, Instagram, we're live on YouTube. I'm going to end these two lives in like 3 minutes, so just so you know. But do you see this? Do you see this? Right here. Now I only do long swings on Matic and Flocky, and I want to add more on the Matic one. Good man. If CTMX breaks, what's it's going? But David, the locates are too expensive, my brother. Why are we even looking at CTMX? Oh, CTMX from yesterday. Oh, it's from yesterday. Do you also consider shorting small caps or only penny stocks? I only short penny stocks, garbage ones. When you say $1 more, is it $1 more in gain? No, $1, meaning the price is $1 more, Daniel. And now we wait for the level to touch again? Yes. Shady made some money. Calls or puts, Shady? What did you do on the NVDA? Calls or puts? What about momentum and RSI? Forget the RSI, Shady. Don't start with our indicators. Don't start with the indicators. Shady, come to the in-person class. Are you the Shady that took the virtual class years ago during the virus from Canada? Are you that same Shady or are you a different Shady? I had a Shady that took my mentorship during the virus virtually. Pull up to the May one. Pull up to the May one. So now we're just battling it. We had a penny stock, by the way, but ALLR, the locates are just too expensive. So we did have a big pumper. Look at this. Massive one. Massive. But again, if the locates are too expensive, it's risk to reward, right? You're putting in so much money, and then you're going to have to make a lot more to make even the locate fees back. So let's go back to NVIDIA. Here we go. For those of you that want to see it, clean trend to the downside on NVIDIA. I remember the Canadian Shady. I'm from Lebanon. Oh, it's not the same guy. Of course, I remember the Canadian Shady too. He says crypto's a scam, all that stuff. I love that. I thought that was the same one. You're from Lebanon. Got you. All right, Instagram. Come back on the YouTube. We're going to end the live here. That's enough. That's enough. My phones will overheat, and I need them later, going out later. And boom. So, there we go. Going back to 841. My next level is 830.22 if this fails. If 841 fails, we're going to the next one. When shorting, what's your target profit to level to level? Don't overcomplicate it. There we go. He said it. Is it based purely on levels? Purely on levels. Yo, guys, urgent warning. QS is going bankrupt. I'm going to block this guy because he just comes on and says nonsense. Collector, I appreciate you, bro, but you got to go, man. You've been coming lately and just saying nonsense. Yo, guys, urgent warning. QS is going back. Like this, you got to go. How do we get rid of you? Let's block him. And he's gone. What are you doing? Bankruptcy, QS, shut up. Professor, do you ever go back and check out penny stocks from the previous day? For example, CTMX out of question. Yes, I do, Tomas. I did that already. Israel is in the building. Mr. Pull Up. We pulling up, Israel. By the way, Israel's coming to December live trading. He already signed up. I'm excited to see you again, Israel. Let's go. We're going to be live trading in New York all Christmas week. All Christmas week. Because we pulling up. We pulling up. We pulling up. And there we go. NVIDIA is breaking that level, and we're going to the next one. No penny stocks. By the way, guys, my Android has the secret scanner on it. So mentorship students, if a ticker pops up for our shorting, please let me know, because my Android is on TikTok right now, so I won't know. This phone doesn't have the scanner on it. How do you short this one? I got you. Very simple. From 8:41.26 to 8:30.22. You take something called put contracts. You take something called put contracts. What does that mean? Price comes down, you are saying. That's how you're going to make money. Put contracts. You could do 0DTE. That means they expire today. Or better would be 2 weeks out. It gives you more time, less time decay. Because the theta will kill you. That's what you do. So you're going to ride this to the next level at 8:30.22. So far, have the levels played out to the T. So far, the levels have played out to the T. So far. Look at that. Now we're going to the next one. Now we're going to the next one. Oh, nice. Thanks, Professor. You're welcome, Tomas. Isn't that options? Yeah, there's people, Daniel, that do options on the live. My students that come to my mentorship, Daniel, do options, penny stocks, crypto, Forex. So I'll cover everything. Just because I don't do it, I don't trade blue chips, I don't do options, doesn't mean I can't show you. I know how it works. Levels are the same. Technical analysis is the same, Daniel. So boom. Keep that in mind. My level is 8:35.43. Cool, cool. Cool, cool, Goran. Thank you. You're welcome, Mr. McLean. By the way, Mr. McLean, I only have one TikTok, one Instagram. I will never ask you to send me money. Never. Make sure you be careful of that, right? A lot of the fake accounts of me want you to send them Bitcoin. Don't ever send me Bitcoin. Don't ever send me Bitcoin. Ever. I received the book. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome, Ava. You're welcome. Why don't you use the volume indicator with the bars at the vol? Because I use this. I use this volume indicator. Boom. Ava, start reading that book religiously and don't look at anything else. Start reading that book religiously and don't look at anything else. Damn, nothing on the scanner, man. Thank you for the info. You're the man. You're welcome, Mr. McLean. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's go. If you were in the puts on this, your stop loss is above 8:41.26, candle close above. If you are in the puts on this bad boy. Keep that in mind. You have you have two options for a stop loss. 1, 2. Candle close here, candle close here. You decide that. But we are bearish. We are bearish. Don't get faked out. The trend is still to the downside. The candles are still in favor of this coming down to 8:30.22. Thank you for the info. I read that already. CHPT. I'm not going to even look at it. If it's not a mentorship student, I'm not even going to look at it because I'm going to end up blocking somebody. I can't keep saying the same routine. If it's not 100% or more. Made a little bit on SPY. Let's go, Groot. Love the way you explained. Very clear. You're welcome, Mr. McLean. How soon can I get the book in Nigeria? I don't know, bro. The Nigerian Post Service. Don't get me started. Treat it like my Bible. Yes, your trading Bible. What is the name of the volume indicator? Volume. You gotta come to the class. What time frame? I'm on the 2-minute time frame, but it doesn't matter. I finally bought the book after rewatching the last 2 streams. Couldn't watch it live because I was caught up with work. I'm finally gonna be able to follow along. Good man, Manasir. Do not get faked out. We are going to 8:30.22. Hold on to your pantalones. Hold on to them. Do not get faked out. The level to level, rejected there. We are headed to 8:30:22. Let's ride the wave, baby. I don't know how many of you like to surf. I love surfing when I used to have the time. I'll be there in September. I thought you have photographic memory. Jorge, I have a few Jorge students, bro. I have a few Jorges. Not just one. Come on now. You think I know one of the Jorges who signed up? And I do have photographic memory. You think you're the only Jorge? Come on, George. George. Let me look at it for you. If you're a mentorship student, if you're that Jorge, where did it go? Where did the sticker go? CHPT. Jorge, it better be 100% or more. Jorge, this thing is 0.35%. 0.35. Jorge! Jorge, what are we going to do with you? Come on, man. I'm from LA. Love LA. What's tomorrow's ticker, Professor? PLTR. PLTR. PLTR for tomorrow. Trading Bible. You know it. Order the book yesterday. Thank you, Royce. Appreciate you getting the book. Thank you so much. We love surfing. Lauren, I know you do. Your husband invited me to South Carolina. I'm going to pull up with an emo chick that's broken. No. I'm going to pull up with one of my assistants so she can handle things for me. So you can cook. Come on. Which mentorships are still available? We got May, which starts in a few weeks. We got September. We got November. And then we got August is sold out. We got, what's the other one? July, 4 seats left in Thailand. How do I get the book? MannyDayTradeProfessor.com. Look down below. Look at the newsfeed flowing down. You see the newsfeed flowing down below? Follow that. Yes, you have to come surf with us. Lauren, I'm going to take you up on that offer. I'm going to take you up on that offer, Lauren. I got you. When your husband told me that, I love it. We'll do it. We'll do it. We'll do it. You can yell at me in September. Oh, Jorge, you're getting yelled at. You think, you want to test my photographic memory? You want to test my photographic memory? Watch in September. I'm going to say you told me about a 0 point nothing percentage. Jorge, you're getting a lecture. You're getting a lecture. Where can we? Yes, you have to come surf. I got you, Lauren. Where can we buy the scanner? You can't. The scanner's free. Hey, Simon said it. You only for mentorship students. Here we go. 5 cents away if you have put contracts. $5 away for put contracts. Get ready. Your take profit is $8.30. Your take profit is $8.30 if you have put contracts. $8.30.22. I got you. Professor, what's your advice for me on the Matic trade? Do I do dollar cost average out? Hold on, Hassan. Hold on. Let me finish this. Let this get to a level. I'll look at Matic. Remind me in the chat. Remind me in the chat. How do I get the book in Indonesia? DayTradeProfessor.com. The book ships worldwide. It just takes longer when it is international. It just takes a lot longer when it's international, folks. Here we go. $2 away from profit target. Here we go. $2 away from profit target. Hold on tight. Make sure you hit sell. What is your job as a trader? Your job as a trader is to just hit sell. Just hit sell. By the way, my team says a lot of you have been hitting up for the merch. Folks, none of it is for sale right now. None of it is. This will be 2025. The pen that says Path to Consistency Academy. This pen is fire. Matches the suit today. Gold and black. My colors. Gold and black. What else? This also. Cleaning cloth. Made perfect for the big ass phones. You can keep it to wipe your phones clean. This can go behind your phone case. Represent the academy. What else do I have here? That's about it for now. That's it about it for now. Would stop loss be 1 cent above the resistance? You got it, Manasir. You got it. Candle close above too. Candle close above. Nothing on the scanner because I know my students would have flooded the chat, man. Come on, I want to take a penny stock trade, man. Wait to hit sell today. My first time trading option put. Let's go, Simon. Let's go, Simon. Let's go. Let's go. By the way, I forgot to read a quote from the Quran yesterday, so we're going to read 2 quotes today to make that up. I forgot. In my rush of recording the video in my rush of things. So yeah. By the way, what do you guys think? My beard was really thick yesterday. I had to trim it down. It was driving me crazy. What do you guys think? Big beard or this? What do you think? Flood the chat. Do we trade this on Trade Zero? Mr. McLean, if you're that interested, Trade Zero, daytradeprofessor.com, there's a link. Go sign up in there. Professor, how about Trade Zero? Daniel, you're a mentorship student. You can talk freely. You have the right, Daniel. You're a mentorship student. Talk freely with me. Loving the live, following along with you. Thank you, Angel. Good morning. What's up, Atul? Atul, you're late to class. Manasir, do you recommend we take cover partial position on the way down? Yes, you could do that. Correct. Mr. Gray hairs on the beard. They're right here, David. Right here. New look. Let it grow. You looking good. Thank you. EBS is very close, Professor. Low beard, Professor. This beard is fire. I wish I could grow a beard. I look like a shaggy Scooby-Doo. This smashed the live. Jenny, finally, we got a girl in the chat. Jenny says trimmed. Okay. Clean cut is always better. I like it. I like it both ways. I just look a lot younger. I like to look old. Mentally, I'm 65. Mentally, I'm 65. My ex calls me grandpa. I'm trading on a prop firm. God bless. Good morning. Clean cut is always better. Appreciate it. Beard is good. Thank you. Coconut water boosted the beard. EBS. Okay, Bobby. Bobby is flooding EBS. Bobby, it's only 84%, bro. It's only 84%. All right, let's look at the locates. Bobby's saying it. I love Bobby. Bobby's coming to Thailand. Let's go. Let's go look at locates. $3. Locates are cheap. Locates are cheap. Let me just buy it. Let me just buy it. Just to have them. What the hell? It's just $3. Let's buy some more. And let's buy a few more. All right, cool. All right, locates out of the way. Now that we have that, so EBS, let's see. All right, we could talk about EBS. Let's talk about EVS. Let's have some fun today, everyone. So here we go. By the way, you know what to do. You know what to do on this. I already explained what to do. Have some fun with this. It's headed to that 841, headed to that level trend line. All right, have fun with that. I'm going to look at EBS for now. I gave enough time to that. Is it EBS? EBS. Okay, here we go. So let's talk about EBS. So let's go. Let's have the conversation. Last night, EBS was $1.89. It has shot up today to $3.69. There you go. That's it right there. I have the locates on this. Cheap. What broker do I use? Because this is a short. We're going to short this today. I use Trade Zero. The link is down below, daytradeprofessor.com. Everything is in the description. Everything is in the description, folks. Everything that I use, everything that I do is in the description. So, boom. Everyone's saying bye, Dakota. Dakota's leaving? I'll see you, Dakota. I'll see you. Try new look like 90s Govinda. Boom. All right. So this is the outlook. Everyone, go do this right now. Go make levels. Go. Go make levels for EBS. I'm going to make levels for EBS. And let's test each other out. Let's rock and roll. Come on. Everyone, go. You got some quiet time. You got some quiet time. Go make levels for EBS. Let me do it too. Let me do it too. Is TikTok still live? Yes, it is. All right, let's go. By the way, Bitcoin pillow today. What's up, Bitcoin? What's up? Satoshi Nakamoto. All right, come on. By the way, if I forget mentorship students, I'm trying not to, but remind me to screen record when I say I'm about to enter the chat. You have the right to flood the chat. Remember, mentorship students, you have rights the other watchers don't have. You can flood the chat and you're protected. So keep that in mind. Make sure when I say I'm about to enter, Professor, screen record, flood it. I don't want to forget that because I know you guys got the screen recording clean, P&L, what price I entered, exit, the whole time, multiple time frames on the secret Instagram. So I want to give you that for my live trading playlist that I have for you guys on the secret Instagram. So please make sure. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, what a garbage stock. What a garbage stock. Complete garbage. Let's see what we're playing with here. It's not showing up here. Let's refresh. Let's refresh. Yeah, sign up for Trade Zero. Sign up for Trade Zero, Simon. You're going to need it for the mentorship anyway. You're going to need it for the mentorship anyway, bro. Why are the level not showing up? There we go. There we go. Here we go. All right, let's go back. Good. Shukram. This is such a gentle mover. Such a gentle mover. My levels are done, by the way. My levels are done. Hotkeys. Oh, where are the hotkeys? EBS. Here we go. Let's load up the hotkeys. Okay. Check 1, 2. Check, check. Saying the mic's not working. Let's turn on that. Cool. Cool. All right, my levels are done for EBS. Flood the chat with your levels. Flood the chat with your levels. Let's go. $419, $373, and $272. Flood the chat with your levels. Let's go. Flood it. My levels are on the board. David, I got you. My levels are on the board. So let's begin the fun. Let's get serious. All right, we're just waiting for some weakness. You want to see a battle at that 373. We want to see a battle at that 373. So keep that in mind. EBS is the ticker. Let me make it nice and big on the board. Let's pull this bad boy up. There we go. Let's make this bigger. There it is. EBS is the ticker to watch. That is where your eyes should be on. EBS. Let's go. Everyone's dropping their levels. 338, 369, 409, 334. I got 373. Let's go for the 373. Malik got 373. Dut got 373. I love it. I love it. Knock, knock, boom at 369. Let's go. No one, again, by the way, if you're new, Mr. McLean, I short penny stocks, meaning I want them to come down. I make money on the downside, not the upside. So please don't think I'm talking about going long. If you people want to go long, God bless you. I don't do that. You can do what you want. Not me. Not me. And this one is a gentle mover. It's moving very nicely. What's the float on this? 50 million. Volume is 52 million right now. Mohammed Talha, respect from Pakistan. Assalamu alaikum, my brother. I appreciate it. I knew you love it. It's even at 90%. Yeah, let's get it higher. Let's get it higher. By the way, again, if something else pops up on the scanner, please let me know in the chat. I don't have my my scanner is over there on the Android. I'm live on TikTok. So please let me know in the chat. There you go. It's breaking that 377. Let it keep going. Let it keep going. I have a question. How did you get that 419 level? I got the answer. There you go. Your answer is right here. Your answer is right there. Pushing hard on 273 right now. Yup. And there you go. There you go. Breaking through. Breaking through. I see it's in the green. Why not buy and hold? That's not what I do, Mr. McLean. That's not what I do. That's not what I do. All right, next level. 419. Let it keep going. We're at 100% officially, everyone. The stock is officially over 100%. Now it has triggered me. It has fully piqued my attention. Fully piqued my attention. The second I see that, now I'm really liking it. Now I'm really liking it. Let's go. Loom is ready. Multiple time frames is ready. Audio check 1, 2 is working. All right, we're cool. Everything's ready to go when time comes. 416, here we come. Let's go, David. Let's see if it's 416 or 419. Let's see. It's at 100% now, Professor. Yes, Coco. Now. But I know you called it early. You were the first one to call it. I know. Patel, hey, Patel, came true. Patel, maga macho. I joined late. What ticker? EBS, Patel. EBS. It's now 100%. 417. Why do mean it's at, what do you mean? Mike, this is what it means. I already explained it, Mike. I'll explain it again. Mr. McLean, that means the stock yesterday was less than 100%. Today it moved up 100% or more. Stocks don't usually move 100% or more in a day. They move 2, 3, 4%, like 1%, stuff like that. When it moves 100% or more, garbage penny stocks, worthless nonsense off of nothing really news, high probability coming down. That's all. That's all. I charge $45 for my Discord. God bless, Bobby. I ain't signing up. I'm not signing up for somebody's Discord. Y'all can sign up. Bobby's the man. Bobby is the man. Almost golden hour. You know, when you're doing something you love and you're under high frequency, time is so slow right now. I can't believe it's only 10:30. I love it. I see 200 EMA at 409. And here we go. Here we go. Next level, 419. Let it keep going. Now it's up 110%. Volume's coming in like crazy on this stock. Like crazy. Next level is 419. Thank you. You're welcome, Mr. McLean. You're welcome. We just hit 419 and we're breaking through. Everyone, next level is 497. Next level is 497. Hey, woo! Let it keep going. Let it keep going. Ooh, 461. 469, 470, 475. My God! We got another great ticker for the day, ladies and gentlemen. We got another level. 497, let's go. By the way, Mr. McLean, watch this. Mentorship students, why do we want this stock to keep going higher and higher and higher? Why? Flood the chat, mentorship students. Flood the chat. 140%. I see 127%. I got a trading question, Professor, exactly about the chart. Just ask it, bro. Professor, sorry for a dumb question, but please don't block me. Penny stock doesn't use VWAP works with everything, bro. VWAP works except crypto. You can, but I don't use it for crypto. Let's go. Let's go higher. Let's go higher today. Love it when the candles disappear. Overextension, bigger falls. To short it, write it down. It will come down. There you go. Look at the chat. Jess. Jess, is your mother named Heather? Your mother messaged me yesterday. She goes, my son Jess. Jess watches you on YouTube. Your mother messaged me yesterday. So we can short it down. Higher it goes, quicker it falls, longer ride down. Miss Lauren, where is the husband? Lauren, where is the mister? Where is he? Higher probability of it coming down, 100%. Oh, stupid news to pull on him on the downside. It will fall harder to drop down. What's up, Noel? Noel, this is setting up for a good trade for today, Noel. The PDT rule, oh, you went over yesterday. Yeah, you messaged me. You over traded yesterday. No worries, but you're still learning. How's the arm? Short it once it falls, only 1030. Want it to go higher and higher so we can print our bigger paycheck. Patel, I want you to come back in May. Or come back December live trading. You know I love your energy, Patel. Pull up. I recently got funded with prop firms Do you think that'll be a good way to trade rather than using? God bless, bro. I'm not getting into prop firms. No, I'm the Jess Baker, the girl. Oh, Jess Baker. Oh, Jess, the horse rider who's coming to my class in a few weeks. May, are you that one? Fall faster. He's working on job sites today. I'm working from home today, so I could join. I love it, Lauren. I love it. I love it. All right, let's see. We've slowed down. Let's see what happens here. We have slowed down a little bit. Holding above that 419. There we go. We've slowed down after a major move. That 419. Let's go. Trade zero doesn't have, if you're in America, there's a PDT rule. Patel, yes, I might come. Let's go, Patel. I want to see you there. Yes, that's you. I knew it. Okay, Jess. I could swear you had a different username, but maybe you changed your YouTube name. If I became a consistent profitable trader, do you think it's worth looking into the algo trading? Get out of that. Just learn to trade yourself. Stop with this algo stuff. Patel, come in May, so it'll be 2 Patels. Come back in May, Patel. It does for U.S. trading? Yes, unfortunately. I understand, Noel. No worries. No worries. No worries. Mr. Young, Tyree Young. What's up? Tyree, no trading 30-cent stocks anymore. Come on now. Get on ABS, EBS. All right, let's see what happens at that 419 level. Let's see what happens at that 419 level. It is holding on our level. Did we do a good job making levels today? Look at that 419. Arm is doing great. Almost healed completely. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome. You putting aloe vera, coconut oil on it? What are you putting on it? Or the stuff that I bought you? What are you putting on it, Noel? Bouncing off that 419. Back at that 419. Look at that. Can't short it right now. Can't short it right now. And people say levels don't work. I feel sad for them. You know, whenever someone says something doesn't work, because their life doesn't work. They just haven't figured it out. Remember that. For example, math doesn't work for me. I failed math throughout my life. But I know math works. I just don't work with math. Me and math are not good friends at all. Get what I'm saying? Here we go. Battling that 419. Battling that 419. No one should be shorting this. That 419 level is strong. Look at that hold on that 419, man. Look at that hold on that 419. Someone DM'd me yesterday, Professor, you made your level so fast. How? This is what I do. I don't know what to tell you. Like, this is what I do. Like, this is what I do. Come on, get to 497. Come on, hold on this. Let's go. You know you bullish, girl. You know you bullish. You know you want to go to 497. Let's write it down from the $5 mark. Come on, girl. Come on. Still holding on that 419. Still holding on that 419 level. Ticker is EBS. 419 hold on that level. It is just holding on that level. How many trades do you usually do in a week? It's hard to answer that. Every week is different. Every week is different. That 419, man, is just holding on that 419. It's just holding on that 419. So, Mr. McLean, do you see what's going on, Mr. McLean? Do you see what's going on, Mr. McLean? What's the next move if you hit your support? We just wait, Mr. McLean. We just wait. Professor, it's not golden hour. Yeah, it's not golden hour yet. We have time. We have time. We have time. You're right. Can we sign up September and then come also in December? Yes, Tony. The only people allowed to come to December live trading in New York are mentorship students. So if you sign up for September, you are allowed to come to New York and do this live with me in person. This won't be streamed. So yes, you can. And if you sign up for September, well, if you sign up for May, you could come to, oh no, August is sold out. Never mind. I was going to say come to August, but August is sold out. Professor, what time frame? That's the 1 minute time frame. That's the 1 minute time frame. You got it, Professor. Thank you. Professor, my name is Crystal Diaz. I'm coming to September mentorship. Let's go, Crystal. Did you sign up? Did you sign up, Crystal? I don't remember a Crystal Diaz. I don't remember a Crystal Diaz. And that's it, Mr. McLean. You see how it's holding? And I don't have my phone to check if you signed up. I don't have my phone. It's on the other TikTok phone. Professor, my name is... Oh, I answered that already. EBS is like a blue chip again. LOL. Gonna get rowdy when it drops. The in-person trading with Professor is epic. David, you were at December live trading. You can see this, David in my YouTube series, The Consistent Trader, on YouTube. Drops every Saturday, 12 p.m. Eastern. David, tell them your experience. Tell them how we had a green week. Tell them the story, David. Share your experience with them. Still waiting, not going anywhere. 25 seconds. Yeah, Goran, I can't do anything about the YouTube delay, my brother. That's YouTube. There's nothing I can do about it, bro. There's nothing I can do. It's YouTube. December was amazing. I had a great time. I just didn't like living in a penthouse in the city. I'm made to live around trees in Long Island. I can't do... I think I was on the 40th floor in a penthouse. That thing was just... horrible sleep. I see a lot of David and Dakota in the series. Yep. One trade paid for my trip. David said that, not me. One trade during December live trading paid for his entire trip. September is my birthday month. The class will be a gift. I like that, Tony. I like that. Retest for 476, then short. Let's see. We're just consolidating right now. We're just consolidating right now. David, that's awesome. You can come back, Jess. I'll see you in a few weeks, Jess. You're Miss Baker. You're coming to May. And by the way, I love horses. So let's talk horses in class, by the way. I love horses. I want to buy a horse farm one day in Puerto Rico for my daughters when I have them. I want my daughters to become expert horse riders. Plus, it's a Muslim thing. The Prophet said you should ride horses. So it's a Muslim thing as well. December live trading was amazing. Goran came in from Australia. Thank you for sharing that, David. Boom. We're just consolidating on 419. Ooh, don't do that. Don't move. We're just consolidating on that 419. Straight sideways action. Hands up, it feels good not to be in this trade. Imagine you were in this short. Hands up in the chat, it feels good not to be in this trade. Am I still live on TikTok? TikTok loves to kick you off when you don't interact with the chat. I'm still live. Welcome everybody on TikTok. Appreciate every single one of you on the TikTok. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me. You guys show me more love on TikTok than Instagram people. People on Instagram, they don't comment, they don't like, they don't share. Like, it's wild. But it's okay. We're battling that 419. Did we do a good job with our levels on EBS? Did we do a good job on the level? Great level. Thank you, Daniel. But Daniel, I thought Instagram, everyone said levels don't work. Support resistance don't work. I thought, isn't that what everyone said? But we pulling up. We pulling up. And guess what? It's working. It's working. That 419? Jesus. That 419. Still battling that 419. We have no clear direction, no clear trend. Great level. Thank you, Mr. McLean. What is the level down to 419? I have 401. 373, Patel. By the way, my stomach is rumbling. I don't know if the mic is picking it up, but I'm going to go eat later. I'm going to have some, Patel, I'm going to go have some dosa later with a friend. We're going to go, she's taking me to get some more Bollywood movies. We're going to get some good ones. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, Kahona Pyar Hai, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. Because some of my mentorship students who are not Indian want to watch them with me in Thailand. So we're going to go pick up the really good ones. The really good ones. So we're going to go eat, and then she's going to take me to get some. No, 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 no. I accidentally hit the short button. I accidentally just hit the short button. Shit. Shit. Let's get out of this. Shit. I accidentally hit the short button. I went to go look for more locates. I hit the short button. Crap a doodle do. Well, I'm up. Oh, I caused this? Oopsie daisy. Oopsie. I accidentally hit the short button. I accidentally hit the short button. I'm in the trade. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm in this trade. My bad, everybody. I went in way too heavy. Oh, I went in way too heavy. I'm up big. Let me start the screen recording. Holy moly. Oh my God. Let me start the screen recording. We are live. What's up, everybody? I'm in this trade right now on EBS. My bad. I just entered it. Average price is 418, 417, one of those. I'll check it later, but I am in this trade. Oh my God. Did not go in quarter. Went in full position. Way too heavy on this trade. I went to go buy locates. My bad. It's a little early entry, but it's okay because we got this time frame in our favor. See, candle closed below 419. So if you were in this trade, my bad on this one. 419 would be below if you want to get in an early trade. Stop loss is above 419. Take profits is 373 on this trade. A little early. It is 10:45. We're not in golden hour. I went to go buy locates. I accidentally hit the wrong button. As you can see right here, shows what position that I'm in. Full position. Again, this is the number. Look at the hotkey, the number above the hotkey. All right, let's play this out. Let me see. I had quarter, but I accidentally hit the wrong button to go locate. Let's see. Let's see how this plays out right here. Sacre bleu. Sacre bleu. I'm going to take
executed.
I'm going to take some off.
Executed.
There you go. I took off half. I don't like this time frame. I just took off half to be comfortable. Now I'm comfortable in the trade. I went in too heavy, too fast. Even though that entry was fire. Phenomenal entry, but I feel much better right now. There you go. On the trade. Mashallah, Professor. Thank you, Chris. My bad, everyone on the YouTube. I'm sorry. My bad. I literally went to just get some more shares because I like the way this was setting up for the local. I'm live on YouTube, by the way. I'm live on YouTube as well. Today is May 2nd. I'm sorry, everyone. That was a complete accident. I just went to go locate more. I hit the wrong button. My bad. I am screen recording, so you see multiple time frames. I just don't like this time frame right here. I'm not a fan of that time frame. I did take half off. I do feel much better in this trade. I don't like going in full, and unfortunately, Created a very big candle that pushed it to the downside. So let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens now. This is a very gentle mover. The second I entered that big position, whoo, this thing dropped hard. Dropped hard the second I entered that position. Stop loss would be above 419. I'm getting out.
Executed.
Look at me causing candles. Look at your boy causing candles to develop. See, this is why I liked to take. I'm gonna take some off.
Executed.
I'm out the trade fully. I'm fully out the trade. All right, your boy's influencing this. Your boy's influencing this. Unfortunately, your boy is influencing this. Your boy is influencing this. Professor, you're getting a lecture, bro. Give me the lecture. Give me the lecture. Give me the lecture. Give me the lecture. How many you bought to crash the market? I'm not commenting on that. That's nobody's business. That's nobody's business. Professor, please don't forget to put a disclaimer. Yeah, I'm trading here. I am trading. You're just watching. This is pure entertainment. Plus, I've been teaching for 11 years. This is what I do. Wow, she's spicy. Because you're the only one trading it. David. You should have gotten out when you had the big drop, Professor Profit. I know. I did take out half. I did take out half. See? Money lecture, you by making money. Some people are broke because that was funny. You got big money. No. I have a little bit of money. I have just a little bit. I'm a regular guy. Yo, Israel's emoji is mad funny. I have influence over this ticker. I hate when I have influence over this ticker. I hate it. Professor was the big fish. I'm the little fish. I am the goldfish in a barrel of goldfishes. That's funny. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's go to 497. Let's go to 497. Oh, this is going to be a problem ticker for me. All right, as you can see right here, I am fully out the trade. You see this number above the hotkeys? I'm fully out the trade. Unfortunately, this is going to be a problem for me to get in and get out because you see when I got in, I caused a down candle. When I got out, I caused an up candle. This is going to be a problem. Usually tickers like this, I do very bad on these tickers because as you can see, look what happens. But we'll still play it out. You're a market mover, market maker. It's called a market maker. Just give us a 20-second heads up before you enter so we don't miss the drop. David, it's already delayed. Are you doing the same thing you did on your last video on YouTube, making problems for people? I don't do that. By how mad you were, your position was just a little. By how mad you, I don't know what that means. What ticker is this? EBS. Any movie with Shah Rukh Khan are great. I don't like him. Rosa. I'm not a fan of him. Salman Khan, Govinda, they're much better. Wow, spike up now. I'm starting to like shorting penny stocks. Oh, it's so much fun, Simon. So much fun. Y'all want me to cause another candle? No. We don't do that here. Back from the 3.5 mile run. What'd I miss? I caused 2 candles, Eric. I created 2 candles. I accidentally took a short by mistake. I went to go locate. I hit the wrong button. And and then when I got out, that's what ended up happening. How are you able to move it when the volume I over one? I don't know what that means. I over? Professor moving the market again. Stop it, David. Stop it. You need more coconut. I'm out of coconuts, Tony. I'm out of coconuts. I'm out of coconuts. I'm going to go pick them up today. I'm going to go pick them up today. You entered early. You meant to short. I did short. I entered the short early, Dustin. I entered the short way too early, but it's okay because I took half off when it fell. I took half off. I don't know if y'all want me. Mentorship students, should I pause the recording while I interact with you, or should I let the recording go? Because I'm recording the live trade. Tell me what to do. This is for you, not for me. Going to have to catch that on the replay. Watch that on the replay. It was funny. Watch that on the replay. I'm going to start a short here, a quarter position short.
Executed.
I see the downtrend here. I'm going to start adding to the short.
Executed.
I'm in half in. I see that clean downtrend forming. I'm in half position. That's it. I will add to this position below that 419 level. I'm only in halfway. I like the downtrend forming. I am in early. I am in early in the trade. You want more confirmation. You do want more confirmation. You want to break that 419. Remember, when the trade is riskier, you go in smaller position size. That's what I did. I'm not in full position. Not everything is in our favor. It's not golden hour, but I like the downtrend forming. That's why when I get out, even if it goes against me, God forbid, it's okay with a smaller position size. There's nothing wrong with just getting in early as long as you manage your risk properly. And that's what I'm doing. I like the new candle that formed right here. And there we go. I'm going to add to my winning position.
Executed.
I'm going to add the remaining below 419. We are not at an A+ setup, just so we're clear. Page 100 should be out. I know, before anyone says it, I know page 100. Page 100. My eyes are on this time right here. I'm looking at this time frame. I'm looking at this time frame. We're officially at undecisiveness. A lot of undecisiveness here. No clear. The trend is to the downside. But now at this moment, we have no clear movement. We're stuck in this range again. We're penciled in between the invisible resistance at 431 and 419. That 430, 419, 430, 419. We want to break. I will add to the full position at that below the 419. Here we go. We're battling that trend line again. We're battling that trend line. Rejecting back again. We're fully consolidation mode. Fully consolidation mode now. We're going to see what happens in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Major candle at play in 1 minute, 20 seconds. Major move right here. My eye is right here and right here. The next candle is a major decisive candle on what's about to happen next. Depending on the next candle, that's the major move right there. The next candle is going to play a big part in this. On what direction we're going in on this trade. This could be that push down that we want below that 419 level. And here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I like this candle right here. There we go. We need that 419 to break. That was a major candle form. Major, excuse me. Major candle form. Not a fan of this candle. I like this one. I like this one, but not a fan of this candle whatsoever. We're still stuck between that range between 419 and the 430s. 419 to 430s. For full confirmation, I want to get below that 419. Once I get below that 419, I'm adding to my winning position fully. That's what I want. I want that push down below the 419. That's what I'm looking at. Candle close below 419. We're about 14 minutes from golden hour. We are 14 minutes away from golden hour. At 419 again. It just touched 419 again and again and again. We have the knock officially initiated. Now the next candle might decide if it's going to be the boom and we break that 419. The knock has officially been initiated. If you don't know what that is, it's in the book. The knock boom chapter. Here we go. Let's see if it happens. It's just holding on that 419. In the next 3 minutes, we're going to see what happens. We're battling that downtrend line again. We're battling that downtrend line again. Stop loss is above candle close, above that 419. Sorry, above that downtrend line. I'm going to take some off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
Taking some off. I don't like the way that candle is looking. I'm going to take another half off, quarter off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
I'm only left with a quarter position in on this. I don't like the sideways action. I don't like the way it's moving. I'm going to get out completely in 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
I'm fully out the trade. I just don't like the side. I don't want to be caught in sideways. That's it. I just don't want to. I don't like these sideways candles forming here. Undecisive, sideways, no clear direction. Yes, we are below the trend line, downtrend line. I see that, but I just don't want to. I keep, the other video, whatever number we did on the playlist, I said, oh, it's okay. No. I thought about it. I'm like, no, if you do what you do. Do what you do. And I don't want to be in sideways. So we're out that right now. All right, let me acknowledge the YouTube. My bad, guys. Didn't mean to neglect all the comments. Oh, they want me to pause? Okay, I'll pause it. Recording paused. If you see A+ setup on a penny stock, will you take it? Yes. What will be the stop loss here? I said that already. Okay, I see that having a big movement sooner. Boom is a game of probabilities. Nothing is guaranteed. Golden hour is here, baby. Drop it like it's hot. I think stop loss should be above the trend line. Sound correct? We need that full position from you. It will have a big movement soon. We don't know when. Of course, wedge pattern. It's coming. Good call, Professor. Thank you, David. Redraw the trend line, the 1 minute top wick smooth line. It's battling that 419. I just don't want to deal with it. Let me fix the. Oh, I can fix it here. And there's the drop happening. Boom. There you go. There you go. I just don't want to be in sideways action. Let me get the recording ready because I do want to get when it's below 419. Here we go. Not in this trade, as you can see. I want to get below 419 for a clear trend. We're just consolidating, holding at that 419. We did a good job with that level on 419. Again, if you're watching this video, how did I make that level? If you're watching this, you're a mentorship student. You already know how we do it. I taught you in class. I'm waiting to get below 419. I like what's going on, but again, I don't like what's going on. I don't like this back and forth. So until I get below 419, I'm not taking this trade. This is my second trade. My first trade was a mistake. This is trade number 2. Got out early. And then the third trade, where we haven't started the third trade yet. So there you go. We're just holding on that, as you can see, holding on that 419. Holding on that 419. We start golden hour in 6 minutes. Sorry, 9 minutes. Again, holding on that 419. Holding on that 419. Still holding on 419, but I think 10 minutes or less is going crazy. NVDA, this is a clear knock. We're not looking at NVDA right now, Tony. We're looking at EBS. We're not looking at NVDA. I gave enough time to NVDA. Again, just holding on 419. Not in this trade. Again, look at the hotkeys. Look at my share size right here. Position size. When this goes down, that's when you know I'm in, just so you know. So I'm not in this right now. I just don't want to be in this when it's sideways. That's not what we do. That 419 is powerful, man. That 419 is powerful. The boom is officially started. The boom, as you see, I spoke about it earlier, the knock knock. I said the boom, the inverse knock knock boom has officially started. The inverse knock knock boom has officially started. This is the boom candle. But like I said, I want the candle to close below. I don't want it to go back and retest and be in that range. Let's look at another time frame. Let's see what happens in 15 seconds. Let's see what happens in 15 seconds. We have a big push for sellers. What a push coming down. I'm taking this.
Executed.
Taking it.
Executed.
Taking it. No, I love that candle.
Executed.
Stop loss above the downtrend line or the 419. Profit target is 373, 374.
Executed.
Trend is on our side. We got weakness on this time frame right here. You see the little bottom wick, top wick. Look at the size of the body. It's golden hour in 6 more minutes. You got 2 stop losses, either 419, close above 419, or the downtrend line break, whichever one you prefer. I like the candles being formed on this time frame right here, headed to the downside. Let's fix that. There you go. The most beautiful thing you can see is the alignment of this level right here. Look at the alignment here. That's your take profit. There's no question about it. Now it just becomes being the spider. We got to break that $4. That invisible resistance at $4, that has to break now. We got to get below that invisible resistance at $4 and get below that for clear confirmation to 373. It just keeps bouncing now between the $4 mark. The whole number $4. Golden hour starts in 3 minutes. There we go. We got to break that $4 mark. We have to break that $4 mark before anything looks better. Then we have the clean move to the downside. That invisible risk support at $4 has to be taken out of play. My eye is on this time frame. I'm looking right here. I'm looking right here to see what happens next. A minute and 30 seconds. Again, same thing. It's stuck between the $4 and the $4.19. The $4 and the $4.19. Bouncing within that 19-cent range. Let's go. Less than 1 minute. We're going to see what happens. Less than 1 minute. We're going to see what happens on this. Guys, help out everyone in the chat. Help everyone out. Do you recommend going straight to the mentorship program? No. Free course, the book, then the mentorship. What if what I teach doesn't make sense to you? Don't waste your money. Don't waste your money. First, make sure that what I'm teaching makes sense. It clicks. Do the free course. Then get the book and read it and see if it makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, don't send me any money. Don't come to the class. What a waste of flight, ticket, hotels, all that. No need. Make sure we connect from a professor to mentee level. Then you can come. We got to break that $4. I love that new candle that formed. We are in a clean ZYX pattern. Again, everyone, page 100. Page 100. We are on a clean ZYX pattern out of the book. Danny, thanks, Professor. You're welcome, Danny, of course. We got to break the $4. Until we break the $4, we're not looking good. We got to break that $4 mark. We're officially in golden hour. We are officially in golden hour time. The most optimal time to short penny stocks. And here we go again, still sideways. $4, $4.19, $4, $4.19. But like I said, we just follow the plan. We just follow the plan. That's all we're doing. There we go, touching 419 again. Now it just becomes the patience game. Now it just becomes being the spider, just sitting here waiting for the opportunity. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. If you read the book, it's in the introduction chapter. A spider makes its web. We traders make our levels. And when something comes within our levels, we execute on it. That's all we do. Nothing more, nothing less. Candle closed below that 419. It's battling that 419. Rejecting, battling, rejecting, battling, rejecting, battling. This is a war. Your life is a war, and if you don't believe it, you're out of your mind. Everyone around you is constantly at a battle, either a mental battle, a financial battle, relationship battle. There's always a battle happening. You choose in this battle that we're seeing right now to put money to get your time back. And that's a battle worth fighting for every single time. Because if you're watching this, again, I'm in New York right now, we're live trading, but you've seen me do this all over the planet. All I do is travel and trade. You have to accept what battle you want. Think of trading as an umbrella. You use an umbrella for what? When it rains, but you don't always carry it, but you always have it. When I used to have a car, it was always in the trunk of my car. My driver has my umbrella in the back of his trunk. It's always there when I need it. Think of trading as a tool that when it rains, financial difficulties, rain analogy, you don't want to get wet, you don't want to get uncomfortable, you open the umbrella and it protects you. The better you are at trading, the bigger the umbrella is and water will not touch you. That's all it is. That's all I use it as. A tool to make money. It doesn't rain every day, but when it does, I'm prepared. Same thing with this trade. The battle you see right in front of you is happening. Again, stuck between that $4.19, $4 consolidation. It's just stuck. As of now, if you notice, each time frame now, page 100, is in our favor, except the fact that we're going sideways. But everything else is in our favor. Everything else is in our favor in this trade. P&L, I'll break it down. I'll say every trade I took, the price I got in, out, the whole 9 yards. I'll break it down at the end of the video. Just watch it. The money amount is insignificant. It means nothing. You need to learn how I did this. Look, listen to the commentary. You should be writing a book right now. Everyone listening to this should be writing a book on my commentary. I like the new candle that formed on this time frame. I love it. As long as we're below 419, I'm fine. The next, I want to break that $4. Let's get the flush down below the $4. Here we go. I want to read some YouTube comment. Yes, Professor, I signed up for the September mentorship, made my payment in December. Can't wait. Let's go, Crystal. Appreciate you. I love seeing you guys in class. I love it. Thank you for everyone watching the YouTube live. Thank you for you guys watching, listening to the recording on my live trade playlist. Without you guys, I have nothing. I don't have this platform. I don't have this studio. I have nothing. I owe it all to you guys. So thank you. I live for this. You know, I was thinking about this yesterday, and this applies to your life as well. We got to break that $4. In my day-to-day life, I'm just regular. No emotions, no feelings, no nothing. But when I'm with my mentorship students during my Puerto Rico mentorship, mansion mentorship, I'm on the moon. I love being with them. Yes, I'm worried about them when they don't come, when they go out late, the things they do, I worry about them. But overall, I love it. I know for a fact I chose the right career, I chose the right life. I chose the right calling because when I'm with my students, that's where I'm truly in flow state. I'm truly at a high frequency. We got to break this $4. We got to break that $4. Take profit at 373. That $4 has to break. So find the thing that's your flow state, your high frequency, right? As you're moving, time, you don't notice time. Again, there's the bounce. 410, 419, 410, 419. 410, 419. Straight chop, straight sideways action. Part of the battle of trading. By the way, everyone watching this on TikTok, you should be on the YouTube. You should be on the YouTube. Day Trade Professor. Let's go. Come on, EBS. I gotta go to lunch soon. Don't make me stay here all day. Come on, girl. Take me to 373. Without Professor, would be lost in Discord groups. Appreciate you, David. Thank you. Thank you for doing this. You're welcome, Danny. Chop suey, 100%. Getting closer to downtrend wedge. It's just battling. Straight sideways, undecisive. Sellers are running the show. The volume is on our side on the shorts, the puts. Professor, what's the longest trade you ever been in? Maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, maybe? Maybe? Oh, no. No. Sorry. Back in the days, full 8 hours. Sorry. But in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. When I used to trade on the seconds time frame. I like that you said the TikTok. Isn't it the TikTok? Trading teaches you a lot about yourself, 100%. I don't like that new candle that formed at all. Buyers just came in. I don't like that new candle on this time frame at all. At all. But rejection off that 419. Rejection off that 419. Perfect level at 419. But yeah, levels don't work. I know. Levels don't work. Perfect rejection off that 419. Without levels, we could not take trades. If you're taking trades without making levels, go sign up for someone's signals chat. Stay away from me. You cannot take a trade without understanding levels. We got that 419, man. It's a barrier again. It is a barrier again, that 419. We got to get below $4. We got to get below $4. We have invisible support at $4. We're going to see what happens in 3 minutes. We're going to see what happens in 3 minutes. We are touching that downtrend line. We are at that 419 level. My eyes are looking right here, focusing on this number right here. Another major number, another major deciding candle. We're in that battle with the buyers and sellers. Buyers keep coming in, sellers are pushing it down. Buyers are coming in, sellers are pushing it down. We're at a pivotal break point right now. No more water for me because I'm in this trade. I need to focus. Can't use the bathroom right now. 1 minute and 42 seconds. We're going to see what happens here. Rejecting that 419. Rejecting that 419 straight sideways. Getting a lot of selling here. A lot of selling here. There it is. Until we get below $4, this is not a clean trade to the downside. Until we get below the $4. See this? Your eyes should be on this. See the movement on this time frame? Look at that. Look at that movement on this time frame's candle, the body. Keep your eye on that. There we go. We need that push below $4. We officially have a knock initiated. 5, 4, 3, red candle, 2, 1. Nice red candle, sellers to the downside. Very nice. And there's the buyers again. We need that push below $4. Until we close below that $4, this trade, not a fan of it. Until we get that close below $4. We got to get that push below the $4 mark. We got to get below that $4 mark. Trading with levels in place, it does make it a lot easier and control. 100%. Thank you, Professor. You're welcome. I have a level at 401. My man. Why are these people not taking profit? He definitely rides the chop longer while recording trades. 100%, David, I do. David knows me well. What is a Discord channel? I don't have Discords. I don't believe in signal chats. I'm against them. There is no Discord here. We're making fun of Discords. Boom. Watching the professor trade is fire. Thank you. 5 minute getting bearish. 15 looks bearish. So many times these penny tickers hit these 25. I know. We got to get below. We got to get below. We got to get below that $2. We got to get below that $4. Again, if you're hearing my stomach, my bad. I know it's really loud and I'm sure the audio is picking it up. My bad. I'm just thinking about food. So yeah. We got to get below that $4. And again, there we go. Same routine is happening. A lot of undecisiveness, a lot of sideways. I'm not liking this at all. At all. I don't usually stay in a trade like this. See these wild moves? No clear direction. Now we're at a complete break-even point of no direction whatsoever. Completely, nobody is running the show here. We are straight even. We're still battling that downtrend line. We have been sideways for 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes of complete sideways action. It's rejecting the downtrend line, the 419 coming down, and then bounces from the $4 and comes back. Battling that 419 again. I don't like that new candle that formed. We're 55 seconds away from a major move on this trade. Getting my finger on the cursor to get out if need be. "38 seconds. Let's see how this plays out. My eye is on this time frame right here. Look at this one. Three, two, one. Don't like that candle that formed. We're still battling it. Don't like that candle, but we're still battling that 419. Buyers are coming in hot. $419. It's just protecting that 419, man. That barrier, that resistance, that wall. I'm not a fan of this candle whatsoever. Whatsoever. And it's getting more volatile now. $419. Buyers are coming in strong. Ooh. Ooh. What a rejection. What a rejection off the level of 490. We're back at $4 again. There we go, 390. And back up again. There we go, that $4. The volatility, man. Golden hour. The volatility here. Talk about volatility. This thing flushed all the way down to 390. All the way down to 390. Talk about volatility. And we're back again to 419. We're back again. When these type of moves start happening, you want to get out the trade. When these type of moves start happening, extreme volatility. With pump and dumpers at this time, this is normal. This is normal. Between 11, just like I told you, between 11:15 and 11:45 is where I make most of my money. We're back at that 419. Eric made a very funny comment. This ticker is the equivalent of asking a girl what she wants to eat, just goes back and forth and can't make up her mind. Eric, that's funny. That's funny. Here we go, battling that 419 again. My God, the volatility on this one. Again, stop loss is candle close above the 419. That 419, God bless it. God bless that 419. We broke that trend line. Not a fan of that. Not a fan of that. We're battling that 419. I don't like that new candle that just formed right there. Buyers are back. Trigger is on the cover button. Let's see. Rejection off that 419. Holding on the downtrend line. The downtrend line has become a form of support for it now. Let's see what the next 4 minutes, in 4 minutes, let's see what the next candles look like. $4.19. Battling that 419 still. Finger is on the cover button to get out, quarter, if this goes against me. What a battle. What a battle. Sellers and buyers. We need to break this range for a clean move down. This range has to break. Until this range breaks, we can't do anything. Got to break out of that zone. That zone is key. Less than 1 minute, we're about to have a major move on this in less than 1 minute. A major move across the board on EBS. EBS. In 35 seconds, a major move is about to happen. We're going to decide what happens in that time frame. We're still stuck within this zone. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I don't like those candles that just formed. At all. At all. The buyers have more leeway right now. But that can change because this is extremely volatile. Just dump her already, Professor Blocker. She's playing with your heart too much. Eric, when I record, I don't know what happens to me when I'm recording these videos. Trust me, I don't trade like this long, but I don't know. I guess I want to give you guys a good video, a good trade outlook. That's just what it is. It's that professor mentorship thing. This mentor to mentee thing, I guess, maybe. Eric saying get rid of this trade already. Can you play puts on this? No, you have to short this. You have to short this. It's a garbage penny stock. They don't have options for these. That's the issue, David. I mean, Eric. Trust me, if I wasn't on camera, I would have been done. I would have been finished with it. Here we go. Here we go. Again, we got to break out the zone. It keeps testing that zone. It keeps testing that zone. We got to get below the $4 mark. We got to get below the $4 mark. We got to get below the $4 mark. If you're not comfortable, you could get out this trade, folks. If you're watching, you could get out this trade if you want. But I don't know what it is. I try to sit and think about it. Why do I trade like this when I'm on the camera? I don't know why. We got to break it with 398. We got to break out of the zone. Until we break out of that zone fully, we got to fully break out of that zone. Back at the bottom of the zone, that $4 mark, that 401, 402. Got to break out of that zone. There's options for that? Make a video, Olga and Diana. Make a video and send it to me on the secret Instagram. How does this have options? Yeah, time decay will kill this trade. Oh, if this was options play, we're done. I'm sure the contract's already worthless. We appreciate it, Professor. Just go out. If you don't like it, don't worry about us. I know, Sandra. I appreciate you too, my brother. I know. It's hard. I don't know. I can't explain it. I can't explain it. It's very strange. Every cell in my body says just get out. But the recording. Here we go. Here we go. Again, take profit is right here. 373, 380. That's the take profit. Either or is the profit. Either or. Either or. There we go. We are 10 cents away from the profit target. 10 cents away from the profit target. Sellers are back in show. Until the candle closes below the zone, we're not in the free yet. Until the candle closes below the zone, we're not in the free yet. Take profit is 380 or 373, however you want to play it, but 380. I'd rather have it go lower just in case if I sell this position, I don't want to cause a massive green candle. So I would like it a little lower so I don't screw myself up, unfortunately. 10 cents away from profit target. It's at 390. Profit target is 380. 12 cents away, 13 cents away from profit target. There we go, 6 cents away from profit target. We're getting the flush down. You're almost there. 10 cents away from profit target. Finger is on the cover button. Again, I'll go over when the live ends on YouTube. I'll go over on the recording the entry price, my profits, P&L, everything. I'll go over the whole 9 yards. By the way, mentorship students, the full recording on the trade will be posted on the secret Instagram later. It might be a lot later because I'm going out to eat, so wait for it till later in the night. I'm going out to eat with a friend, so I don't know what time I'm going to be home. Plus, I got to send it to the editors. They have to create a thumbnail. It's a whole thing. 10 cents away from profit target. I drank way too much water. Okay. You could set a range stop loss and I can walk away. We're almost there. Come on, man. 12 more cents. We're almost there. 11 more cents. Come on. Come on. 380 is my profit target. Come on. 11 more cents. Come on, girl. You know you want to. Almost there. 11 cents. Come on. 10 cents? Come on, girl. We'll get there. You know what I like. Girl, come on. Right now, you see the trend here. You see the ZYX pattern. You see it in our flow. It's going in our direction. This time frame, I'm looking at this number right here. See what happens right there. Let's see. My fingers on the cover to take some off. I'm going to take a little off here in 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
Took a quarter off. I'm going to let it breathe. Don't want to do anything. 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
Took a quarter off. All right, 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
Took a quarter off. 3, 2, 1.
Executed.
I am fully out the trade. Okay, let's do an analysis. I'm going to show the P&L breakdown on this, but let me pause this. Let me finish the YouTube. All right, everyone. Boom. I got out. I drank too much water. Your boy got to pee. So I appreciate, you already know. We're going to jump into this. But before we jump into this, I owe you 2 quotes. Let's quickly look over NVDA. Let's quickly look at NVDA. So there you go. NVDA playing within our levels. And then EBS. I'm done. So let's do it. By the way, tomorrow we are trading. PLTR, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard. Let's do it. I owe you 2 quotes. I forgot the one from yesterday. Clear Quran. Let's go. And pick. Chapter 8, the spoils of war. Verse number 2. The true believers are only those whose hearts tremble at the remembrance of God, whose faith increases when his revelations are recited to them, and who put their trust in their Lord. They are those who establish prayer and donate from what we have provided for them. Today, if you made some money, flood the chat. If you made some money trading NVDA or EBS. Flood the chat if you made some money. Because if you did, let me see if I made some money. It's on the, I gotta go. Let me get off the TikTok so I can check. Oh, YouTube kicked me out. TikTok kicked me out anyway. Wow, that's fire. 690 people on the TikTok. Thank you. All right, let's see. How much, let's see. Are we green or red today? Let's see. I made a little bit of money. Green day today. Praise God. I made a little bit. So now what should you do? There you go. Let's look at the comment section. Thank you, Professor. I made some money. I did. Thank you. Those red candles look like buffet. So if you made some money, donate to the poor, because what you got today was a gift from God. It is they who are the true believers. They have elevated ranks, forgiveness, and an honorable provision from their Lord. So keep that in mind. Everything that you receive is from God. Use that to your advantage. All right, I owe you a quote, so let's go. Should I just pick from this chapter? Let's pick a different one. All right. Chapter 16, the bees. Something I could use to end. There we go. Chapter 16, the bees, verse 68. They attribute to God what they hate for themselves, and their tongues utter the lie that they will have the finest reward. Without a doubt, for them is the fire where they will be abandoned. When it comes to wanting something in life, ask God for it. Do not ask Him for things that you know you shouldn't ask for. We're not getting into that. But ask Him to make the test easier for you, but you will still get tested in life. You will still get tested. Didn't we get tested today on the levels? Didn't we get tested today on the levels? If you notice, we battled I gotta use the bathroom. I can't hold this anymore. We battled this. We battled our level at 419. Look at this zone, 419. And then once it broke, further down. We're going to 373 today, but I'm done. On that. So if you notice, the battle is still happening. Hands up, it feels good to get out of the trade. Hands up, it feels good to get out of this trade. Let me know. Hands up. It feels good to get out of this trade. Let me know. Whoa. Woo. Profit today, even though not my money. I love it. Praise God. Thanks, Professor, for live training today. Thank you, Professor. I needed a green day. Woo. Let's go, Lauren. Credit your locates. Boom. Go get the money back for your locates, everyone. Look at that. And there it goes back up again. All I do, I'm telling you right now, between me and you, there's nothing special here. There's absolutely nothing special here. All I do is hit sell. That's all I do. I don't do anything special, out of the ordinary, magical. I just hit sell when time comes. Go make your levels for PLTR when the market closes. Mentorship students, wait later tonight for the video, the full screen recording, the P&L, the breakdown, the whole 9 yards. Professor Matic, before you go. Okay. You're right. I promised the crypto coin. Okay, we got to fight through this pain. I got a PMATICUSD. So Matic, if you notice, consolidation. After the big drop, it's just been going sideways. Nothing major going on with Matic. There's nothing to talk about or mention or anything when the market just moves sideways. Do you see what I'm saying? Nothing to mention or talk about because, like I just said, it's sideways action. So keep that in mind. I will see you all tomorrow. Go make your levels for PLTR when the market closes. Mentorship students, wait tonight. Send you the recording, the P&L, the breakdown, the prices, the whole 9 yards. Thank you all for joining me. May peace be upon you all.